Take a deep breath and hold it. Within 15 seconds, nothing dramatic happens. Your blood oxygen is at 98%, your carbon dioxide levels are normal, and your body barely notices. But a clock is ticking. At 30 seconds, carbon dioxide begins accumulating in your blood. CO2 dissolves into your plasma and converts to carbonic acid, lowering your blood pH. Chemoreceptors in your carotid arteries and brainstem detect this acidification and begin sending urgent signals to your diaphragm. This is the urge to breathe. It's not caused by lack of oxygen. It's caused by too much carbon dioxide. Your body monitors CO2 far more closely than oxygen. At 60 seconds, the urge becomes intense. Your diaphragm starts contracting involuntarily, creating those spasmodic chest movements breath holders recognize. Your heart rate increases as your sympathetic nervous system activates. Blood vessels in your extremities constrict, redirecting blood toward your brain and heart in a response called the Dieting reflex. At 90 seconds, your blood oxygen drops to around 90%. Your spleen, that organ you forgot you had, contracts and squeezes out a reserve of oxygen-rich red blood cells it keeps stored for emergencies. This splenic contraction can add up to a 10% boost to your circulating red blood cell count. Competitive breath holders have measurably larger spleens than average people. At 2 minutes, oxygen saturation drops below 85%. Your brain begins reducing activity in non-essential regions. Your peripheral vision dims. Your fingers tingle as blood is pulled away from extremities. Anaerobic metabolism kicks in, as cells that can't get enough oxygen switch to producing energy without it, generating lactic acid as a byproduct. At 3 minutes, you're in dangerous territory. Oxygen saturation can drop below 70%. The brain's prefrontal cortex begins to falter, impairing judgment. This is why shallow water blackout kills swimmers. They lose consciousness without warning because the brain simply switches off when oxygen drops below a critical threshold. The world record for static breath holding is over 24 minutes, achieved through hyperventilation, pure oxygen breathing, and years of training the body to tolerate extreme CO2 levels. But right now, your brainstem is counting every molecule of carbon dioxide in your blood, ready to force your next breath whether you want it or not.